PvP. Oh, is that? Oh, there's a person. Hi, sir. Hello. Oh no, you've got a chainsaw? Hey. Oh, there's a zombie up on the hill. Do you talk? Don't use it on me. Don't you use it on me. No. No. Go chop down a tree. Not me. I don't want to be cut. Go use on that zombie over there. He's not talking. He's gonna... Did they actually make a chainsaw noise? Like, is it on? Are you okay? Is that your house? Have you got a wife? Kids? A dog? Cat? Hey. Do you talk? Not very chatty, is he? No! What's your name? Oi! Oi! What's that? Mine! No! You need petrol for it, don't you? I took his chainsaw. Wow, I got him. Now he's bleeding. Ah! Don't try and chainsaw me, bro. I chainsawed you. Unlucky. Have a nice respawn.